Welcome to the recorded demo video of Advertisement Management System for Citizen. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Citizen Login option on the system interface to access the Citizen functions. Upon selecting Citizen Login, the user will be directed to the ePramar sign-in page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, tick the I consent checkbox, and then click on the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, the user will be redirected to the Citizen dashboard. Select the advertisement module from the available options. Upon selecting the advertisement module, the user will be redirected to the advertisement dashboard. The advertisement dashboard offers various options for submitting applications, including self-advertisement, movable vehicle advertisement, private land advertisement, and agency registration. The advertisement dashboard allows users to view and track the status of their applications, including pending, approved, and rejected applications. To apply for a self-advertisement, select Apply here under the Self-Advertisement option to access the Self-Advertisement application form. Before proceeding to the application form, user must select the ULB. Select the ULB, then click the Start button to proceed. The self-advertisement form will display detailed information on required fields for your convenience. The user must fill in all the required details in the registration form, including license year, applicant name, father's name, email, residence address, residence ward number, permanent address, permanent ward number, mobile number, Aadhaar number, entity name, entity address, entity ward number, installation location, advertisement category, brand display name, holding number, GST number, display area in square feet, display type, trade license number, longitude and latitude are optional field. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In the next step, the user must upload the required documents, including Aadhaar card, trade license, holding number, GPS coordinates, GST certificate. Guidelines and instructions for document uploading are displayed on the screen. To upload the Aadhaar document, click on the Choose File button under the Aadhaar card option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. To upload the trade license, click on the Choose File button under the Trade License option. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. Similarly, the user will upload all the required documents one by one in this manner. After uploading all the required documents, click the Save and Next button to proceed. Once the application is completed, all the details will be displayed. Tick the I consent checkbox, then click the Submit button to complete the final submission. A confirmation will be displayed indicating that the application has been submitted successfully, along with the application number. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.